This video is going to show how to adjust the height of the rear brake lever. So you undo this locking nut, undo this locking nut, and there's another nut under here which you can adjust, and it pulls this bolt in or out, which adjusts the height. This one goes up or down, and it adjusts the play. It's too high for me at the minute. I want it lower. It's easier if you push down on the brake lever. It's a bit fiddly because I got the skid plate on, but we're getting there. So that's the height down with this bolt. Now you can adjust the free play with this one, with a 10mm spanner. For this bike anyway, I think it can be 10 or 12 on some. Then just tighten them back up.